Hey y'all, today I have a product review for you from Yaahomes. Yaahomes is a brand that specializes in sleek and contemporary pieces for modern homes. Yaahomes is known for their clean linens and elegance. Yaahomes also offers free shipping, 30-day returns, and on broken items, they will be replaced. Yaahomes is offering you 15% off of your purchase when you buy. So run on over to yaahomes.com and get your shop on. I know you will enjoy it. Now let's get into the piece that Yaahomes has sent me. Here Yaahomes has sent me a king size tufted bed frame to try out and review for you guys. So one thing I like about the packaging from Yaahomes is they make sure that the box is fully sealed and everything that's inside the box is covered and wrapped to protect it. Yaahomes includes step-by-step instructions on how to assemble each item that you are purchasing, and also the bags and that's included in the boxes with the screws or whatever it contains is labeled to make assembly go by smoothly. The headboard is now finished and put together. This is about how tall it was then. Everything that you need to put together their products, the pieces is included. You can also use your own power drills to make the process go by a little bit faster.
They're gonna tell you to put these on first. Don't put these on till it's last. Don't put these on till it's last. Till you hook all this top of this, all this right here. Because if you use a power drill, you ain't gonna be able to get it on. But if you use an Allen wrench, you can get it on. But I use a power drill. So don't put these on till last.